Okay, so welcome to what you're going to be doing mainly in the next section, but this is kind of like an introduction. So we have this unit circle that we're back to referring to, and on this circle, and actually it's any circle, a whole rotation you guys know by now is 360 degrees. And so that can be broken up into an infinite amount of pieces. Whereas we're looking at it broken up into, what is that, 18 pieces? Something like that, where it's going to be broken up with 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees increments. So 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360. Those all have to deal with 30-degree increments. Then you have 45, 90, 135, 80, 225, 270, 315, and 360 increments. You guys in the next, in 6-3, you guys will learn how to memorize this. And it's a huge pattern, and you'll learn a couple other pieces to it. But for now, this is helpful. I would say not necessarily write it down in your notes because you guys are going to be doing it in a different way. But I want you to look at this and understand the difference between pi over 2 radians is the measure of the outside, but it is equivalent to 90 degrees, which is on the inside. So that's just something to be aware of. It says it may be helpful to memorize. We'll get to memorizing later on, but I wanted to introduce it to you now.